when you kind of go back to Star Trek, those guys are futurists for real. Almost everything that those guys had in this show has happened, right? The cell phone was the first time you saw that, right? If you think about touching the pin on the thing and talk, where did that come from, right? If you think about, the replicator, you can just press a button and food materialize, right? And stuff materialize. That's the 3D modeling things that you can do right now, 3D imaging. I'm still waiting to be able to beam up and beam someplace, right? Because airplane rides can really be terrible. So a lot of these things that were considered science fiction that nobody imagined, just to be able to jump into something and go to space, this is what Musk and all those guys are working at. So the thought of being able to have technology that does what the Borg did in Star Trek, or does what Q did, for those who are big fans of that. It's just more examples of maybe, reality is really copying, what used to be fantasy. We just maybe, either we could foresee it or we're just taking that as clue.